Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview data feeds. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step will be to access the data feeds feature. So you can access the data feed feature by simply clicking on the data feed button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Now once that's done, you come up to step 2, which is to create a new data feed. Now you can go ahead and create a new data feed by simply clicking on the new data feed button. And now step 3 will be to configure your data feed. So you can configure your data feed by setting up the data source as well as formats and other necessary settings. The fourth and final step will be to use your data feed. So just once you have all that set up and configured, go ahead and use your data feed to power your trading application. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview data feeds. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next